Here you see Hazel, the great green macaw, and Huang, the blue-throated macaw, 2 endangered species, in a study where they have to exchange tokens of different values for food. One token gives the bird highly preferred food, another token gives it a less preferred food, and the third token gives them no food. Here we test whether the parrots can learn the value of the token by observation. You see a human person exchanging with an experimenter, and it exchanges different tokens and gets the different rewards in return. And now it's the turn of the parrot, and it can choose between the different tokens, and as you see, it immediately chooses the high value token. And even if we change the position, it chooses the high value token again. And we test them with different sets and test whether they continuously go for the high reward token. And they do.